Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We will be taking off momentarily, so if you could hit the like and subscribe button. Before you know it, we'll be landing in the coolest Airbnb in all of Alaska. This place is epic.
I've always wanted to drive an airplane.
Wow, that's actually pretty cool. I'm so excited for this day. This is hands down one of the coolest places we've ever rented. It's a literal plane, and I can't feel my fingers anymore.
Wow.
I'm really pumped about this place. We're only here for one night. I still bet we're gonna have a pretty amazing time here. We haven't looked around ourselves, but we're gonna give you a quick tour, starting with this epic entrance. I don't know what this is even. Like the side of an airplane?
Cargo door.
It's a cargo door. There's some propellers over there. It's pretty cool. We did look in here already, I'll be honest, but this is our bedroom. One of, I think there's two in this airplane, the listing said. We're gonna be sleeping in the tail of an airplane tonight. So cool. You can read about this exact plane here. It's an Everett's air cargo plane.
Yep, Everett's.
Tyler's just gonna be correcting me throughout this entire video.
I like airplanes.
This is our bathroom. Very cozy, actually. I'm gonna be showering in an airplane tonight. All right, we'll move on. We've got our second bedroom. This one's very cozy, I would say. There's no windows. So apparently, if you scan these little things that are stickered throughout the airplane house, you can watch exactly how they built this insane Airbnb.
I bought a DC-6. That giant thing sitting behind me, 117-foot wingspan, 105 feet long.
This is our kitchen. Microwave, fridge. Got some French windows that lead out onto our little private patio. I think you can climb out onto the wing. There's like an opening there. It seems kind of dangerous.
I'm walking on the wing. It's really scary.
Don't sue us if you fall off. Did you see that?
Wow.
Tyler's not included.
No, welcome aboard, Deborah.
Tyler doesn't get a welcome. I feel very special. Going further, we have this huge dining room table that we probably could have invited someone to stay with us, but we didn't. We have the whole plane to ourselves. We've got a nice big sofa, nice big TV. We've got a giant tire table with some games. I think we'll be playing some games tonight.
Wow.
A massage chair. I call this.
No, that's my seat.
This is my seat for the night.
Oh my gosh. You gotta get up, we gotta finish.
Tyler's gonna finish the rest of the tour for you guys. I'm just gonna relax.
I'll do that, because I have the best part.
Wait,
No, you said I get to finish it.
Okay, fine.
No, I'll let you.
Tyler found the coolest place of this plane yet.
Yep.
It's the cockpit.
Oh, you can even sit.
There's an entire cool switchboard here, which Tyler is not allowed to touch.
Aww.
An entire little cute coffee station, so tomorrow morning we can just grab our little coffee and then come fly the plane. This is kind of scary.
Wow.
This is insane.
That's pretty cool.
This is crazy! Because of check-in and check-out hours, we only have, check-in was at 4, check-out is 10. We've got 18 hours to explore, to enjoy this gigantic plane, and this is already hands down probably the coolest place we've ever stayed. Even though we have absolutely nothing planned for the next 20-ish hours, we are going to attempt to go grocery shopping here at the local market and cook some dinner.
What are we gonna have?
I don't know.
Ready to go grocery shopping?
Yep.
We decided to do a homemade ramen.
Homemade means packaged.
Alright, so I am cooking udon for both Deborah and I. But first I gotta hard boil some eggs.
So I feel like this is probably going to be a really boring video. Usually in our videos, we always try to like do something super exciting or some kind of adventure. Did you just put salt on your udon?
My egg.
Oh,
I like salt.
it's like the perfect place to just come chill out.
Mm-hmm.
Since this is the first video of the new year, I was thinking that it would be fun if we kind of share our main goal going into 2025. One personal and one outwardly goal, or like something you want to do in 2025.
Okay.
You go first.
No, you go first.
I feel like in 2024, I focused a lot on like my mental health aspect.
Mm-hmm.
So going into 2025, I want to focus a lot more on like health overall, like your body, like wellness, as I'm drinking like juice and eating ramen. But and like my big thing that I want to do is book a trip to Antarctica. I'm not going to say travel there yet because it'll probably take us a long time to save up because Antarctica is really expensive. Hopefully by the end of this year, we'll have booked a trip there.
My goal, one, is being healthier. We didn't eat that healthy last year with all the moving and everything.
And on our world trip, we like did not cook for a whole year.
No. So I feel like I need to eat healthier again.
Okay, and what's one thing you want to do?
I really want to see the walruses on Round Island. So that's something I really want to do.
Yeah.
Because you got to camp out there.
Yeah. But that would be an epic adventure for sure.
Mm-hmm.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers to 2025. We're going to have a game night.
And I'm going to win. I always beat Deborah. No, I don't. She usually beats me.
We decided to play Unstable Unicorns. It was a 2019 Toddy People's Choice Award winner. We've never played this before, but it says build a unicorn army, betray your friends. Unicorns are your friends now. There's baby unicorns.
Return a card in another player's stable to their hand.
Each player, including you, must sacrifice all, upgrade, and down.
If this card is in your stable at the beginning of your turn, you may
Draw 2 cards.
discard 2 cards and then destroy them. What does it say?
This card counts for 2 unicorns. You
Nay.
cannot play any nay cards.
Oh my god.
I win!
We gotta play one more. I gotta win.
Wait. How many have I won?
3.
3!
I gotta win 1.
I am the queen at creating my unicorn army.
I suck.
We did end up watching a movie last night. Carry On, the new movie on Netflix. It was a little creepy watching that movie from a plane, but it was really good. I would recommend. This morning, we ended up sleeping in because this is Alaska. It's almost like 10 a.m. and it's not even bright outside yet. We're gonna have some nice tea. Tyler's gonna have his coffee.
Look at out front. Look at out front.
Shut up.
That was so cool. I was just filming Deborah and I saw a moose head sticking out behind her head. I was like, oh. My favorite animals are moose, so that was made my morning. Now I'm waiting for more.
We are going to finish having our coffee and tea. We're gonna enjoy the view, keep our fingers crossed for maybe some more moose, before heading off to a local restaurant for some breakfast. We, of course, both had to get a reindeer sausage dish. So good. And then going home because Tyler has to work today. Thanks so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys in 2 weeks. Bye! Oh, now I have 7.
Awesome.
I just have to...
Whoa.
I feel like we're in like Stranger Things or something.
Okay.
That's scary.
I would.
This one.